Hello and welcome to Where's Lara Now? I'm currently at home and well, there might be a severe thunderstorm watch this evening. Technically tomorrow morning at like around 3 a.m. it'll come through. So I just thought I would get some video of possibly the calm before the storm. So, like I said, is this the calm before the storm? We'll see what happens. Around 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's very breezy. Okay, so it is about 10, a little after 10, and we have some slight drizzle, which you can hear, and we'll see what happens. So it's around 2:40 a.m. Good morning, and I thought I see how intense it gets, and as you can see, it is very windy out right now, but not too bad. There's my cat. Hi, Eros. Sitting there keeping me company. So the wind is picking up, and I think we've got a little bit of rain. It's after 3, about 3:15, and the rain is coming down. Let's see what else we get. This might not even become a video. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty windy out there, and I feel really bad because you can't see it, but over there, just beyond that white truck, is the delivery for school lunches. The delivery guy, I feel so bad for them because it just started getting yucky. Kind of sounds really bad right over here because we don't have gutters. So it's the corner right there, so it's all coming down right there. Yep, no gutters. I don't know if it's translating in the video, but you can see the rain being pushed off the top of the truck over there. So the truck is finished. He's now left the school grounds. He's got to get through the gate and then close and lock the gate. So I feel bad for him. Way over there. You can't see. So it's really coming down now, and it's very windy, as you can see. I was hoping for, you know, some thunder and lightning, but I don't think we're going to get that. Just a very intense rain and wind. That's it. Nothing else. I mean, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, did you just see that? There was, I don't know if that was like a transformer that went off. Whoa. Or, oh my gosh. Here, I was just saying, no, I think that is lightning. Oh, how exciting. I was just about to sign off. It is very cold out here, by the way. It says it's like 55, but it feels like 47, 46. My hands are so cold. Oh, it's freezing out here. By the way, I am under, I'm on the patio. I'm covered. But I'm sitting here on a chair, as you can see. And so I know I'm getting a little wet. From the wind bringing the rain onto the porch. Whew. Was that it? Is that all I have? In the next few hours, I hear Big Bear is supposed to have blizzard-like conditions. Which is closer to around 5 o'clock this morning. So, yikes, that's crazy. Ooh, I'm getting hit with water. The rain is like hitting my face now. Dang. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Woo, and I'm getting wet. I feel like I'm one of those news reporters standing out in the rain, but I'm not in the rain. It's the wind is bringing the water up to me. I can actually see the rain blowing off the roof of the school across the street. Oh, yep, I'm getting wet. Okay. That's coming down really hard. Really intense. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, so I'm hiking in the store. I'm just gonna say there's pretty intense rain right now, and well, you know, adventure is out there, right?